The overall goal of this report is to illustrate the procedure to obtain oligonucleotides of RNA via solid phase synthesis. Dodecamers of RNA will be synthesized as models, and their purification and characterization will also be demonstrated.
Through its visual component, this publication will broaden the scope of the methodology and facilitate its use to researchers in various fields. Providing a visual aid along with a detailed protocol will enable researchers to employ these techniques.
One advantage of this technique is its amenability to a wide range of modifications. As today's applications become more demanding, it is important to have a standard protocol.
Phosphoramidite chemistry is experiencing a resurgence due to the robustness of the method and its potential for obtaining oligonucleotides for therapeutic applications.
While purchasing oligonucleotides is attractive, price and availability of modifications shift interest towards preparing these oligomers in-house, thus making this procedure of utmost importance.
To begin this procedure, weigh each phosphoramidite into oven-dried 10 ml amber bottles and cap each bottle with a septum previously perforated with a 20-gauge needle. Place the bottles immediately under vacuum using a desiccator containing a drying agent. After filling the desiccator with dry argon, remove each bottle and immediately add anhydrous acetonitrile before securing onto a solid-phase peptide synthesizer. Next, remove the septa from each bottle and place on the synthesizer via a bottle change function. To set up the solid phase synthesis, select the software icon. Select the synthesizer name and click on OK. Then, create a new synthesis by selecting File.